Hi, I'm Michael from Bonanza, coming to you from the Melbourne Home Show. I'd like to show you what we've got on display here today. This is our 2/3 barn in blue scope steel colour bond. Over here we've got a standard door opening. Usually we'd have a roller door in here, but we've kept it open for the show. We've got plenty of options to show you here. This is our standard low profile wall sheeting. As we come around the corner here, you can see it all in Colorbond Surf Mist. We've got some horizontal cladding, so a weatherboard look, which can really add some appeal to your shed and tie it in with what you might already have at your home. Even though this is a shed or a garage, you can still have a glass sliding door in it. So if you want to make it a more usable space inside with plenty of light, glass sliding doors are a great option. Moving further around here, we have a 3.1 metre high roller door, all made in Melbourne. As we follow on around the other side here, you can see another type of wall cladding that we have available, which is standard corrugated. You can run it horizontally or vertically. It really does give it that modern Australian appeal. If we have a look inside, we have a loft construction up here, which many people do to add extra storage. So plenty of options that we're showing you here today. Garden sheds are something else that Bonanza offer. So we've got a show special on here at the moment as well. Inside this garden shed we can see steel frame door upgrade, an option of a louver window, door in the gable end. There are so many different variations available. Complete colour range for garden sheds. With the bigger structures you've got even more choice. The options of skylight panels as well to let in extra light to your building. So I hope you enjoyed a quick tour through our shed. If you want to see it in real life, come on down to the Melbourne Home Show. We'll see you then.